welcome back. In today's video, I thought of showing you a little bit of my behind the scenes of my painting process. So this is one of the days where I feel like not planning anything in specific, but just finding inspiration and paint whatever that comes to mind. So I was just browsing through the internet and I came across this picture that I found online. And as you all know, I've been inspired a lot by painting flowers lately, and this picture, it has a lovely flower market on the streets, and then we have a lady who's also shopping for flowers. I've also been wanting to practice a bit more on my human sketching, so I thought this would be a perfect reference photo to just start painting. And yeah, I grabbed my sketchbook and my pencil and just dive in and started sketching. So if you have one of those days where you don't feel inspired to paint anything or feel like putting too much effort into a painting, so you can do what I do, just grab a reference photo that you find that catches your attention and then just jump right in and start sketching. As long as you get started, and then you slowly see that things will slowly come into place, things will slowly appear and show its form, and that is what is happening right now with my painting. And I'd like you to set an objective for today's painting. The purpose is not to create something beautiful or something remarkable to look at, but more on focusing the process of painting. I would just like you to get down to it and get started. Pick up your brush and just dive in, not thinking too much on what it will look like in the end. What we want here is to just enjoy the process and express your feelings, your emotions, and let it all flow into your painting. There are no judgment, no audience looking at it, just you, yourself, and your own time with the painting. And I really like this scenery because on usual weekends, I like to visit the flower market and just take a stroll and look at all the colorful, beautiful bouquets of flowers. And yeah, I really enjoyed painting the variety of flowers that we are seeing here. This scenery kind of represents what we are going through right now. As you can see, the lady is wearing her face mask, and it speaks to me. I feel a little sad because instead of being able to walk and enjoy the lovely aroma that's coming out from the flowers, instead she's not able to sense this because due to the face mask. And I feel that due to our current situation, we are limited in many ways in things that we used to take things for granted. So I thought that this would be a good reminder just to be grateful for everything that we have, our friends and family for being around, for just being healthy and happy, which is most important. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of my painting process, and I'll see you next week in the next video.